Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford F150 door code. First, you need your vehicle's factory-set 5-digit code. This crucial code is often on a wallet-sized card in your owner's manual. If you cannot find the card, look for a sticker on the vehicle's computer module, typically behind the back seat. This master code is essential for programming any new personal entry code. To begin, ensure all your vehicle's doors are closed. Now, carefully input your 5-digit factory code into the exterior keypad. Once you have entered the final digit, quickly press the 1-2 button on the keypad. You must do this within 5 seconds to confirm the input. This action tells your vehicle you are ready to set a new personal code, so pay close attention. Now, within another 5 seconds, type in your new preferred 5-digit personal code. Choose a combination that is easy for you to remember, but challenging for others to guess. For instance, avoid simple sequences like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or repeating numbers. Your vehicle will then store this new code. Make sure you enter it accurately on your first try for a smooth setup process. After programming your new code, it is important to test it right away. Exit your vehicle, close all the doors, and then enter your new 5-digit personal code on the keypad. Next, press the 3-4 button to confirm it unlocks the doors. If it functions correctly, you have successfully updated your access. If not, simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning to ensure everything is set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.